first YouTube video, and I'm going to be making slime. But first of all, I have to talk a little bit about myself. I am 12 years old, and I have one dog. Her name is Harley, and what I like to do for fun is make slime and play outside and play with my dog. So I use ingredients like baking soda, glue, and contact solution. And make sure you have a good enough container so if it tips over when you're done making the slime, then it won't leak. So first I'm going to be putting in my glue. Dad, can you come and help me?
Glued shut on you, huh?
Yeah.
Goodness.
And we're back. Sorry, glue shut on me. So we have to pour this in a little bit. So that should be good. And we want to make sure you put the glue cap back on so it doesn't fall and then it gets everywhere. And now we're going to add our contact solution first for the baking soda. You just put like a squeeze in there, and then for the baking soda, I'm gonna put about a spoon like this big full of it. About this much. Put that in there. There we go. And then you mix. So you want to have to stir it around for 25 seconds and it'll look like this. It's kind of thickening up, so it's a good thing. You just want to keep on stirring around until it gets the consistency that you want it. Okay. So it's kind of starting to do it, and if it doesn't do it and like for a good amount of time, then you're just going to have to add more of your contact solution. And maybe a little bit more baking soda. Just gonna have to mix that in there. And make sure your parents know before you do this stuff so you don't get in trouble. So if it's sticky, then add more contact solution. You want it to be gooey, but not like sticky that like this. And just keeps on mixing it till it's too tasty that you want it. See, like this. Kind of want it like that, but just like a little bit more. Just want to keep on mixing it and put it back into there. And if it's sticky like this, maybe a little bit more contact solution. So I've been making slime for a long time now. That's why I'm so good at doing the twirling things. And make sure you have a good area so you don't really care if it gets messy, but you might want to clean it because this stuff is dried out. You want a container. Just get all of this. And I just want to mix it some more. If it's really sticky, then yeah, add more of that. Keep on mixing it. So you guys remember where I was just saying about don't make a mess? Well, this is what happens whenever you don't add as much as contact solution. So if it does get like this, just add more. Here we go. Okay, so that was a lot of work. So this is the consistency that you want, and if it's not like sticky to you, just add a little more. Okay. Really cool. So as you can see, it's not sticking to the table anymore. Okay, this is the end result, and this is also the end of the video. So you want to make sure that you put it in a container with a lid so it doesn't dry out. Now, this is the end, and if you enjoyed, like button and subscribe. And in my next video, I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So if you like this video, then stay here, okay? Bye!